Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you guys how you can create a Facebook page on Facebook. But before getting started, if you are new to my channel, please ensure you subscribe and give me a like. Then open your Facebook app, click on the three lines at the top right hand of your screen. You have to click on the three lines at the top right hand of your screen and select pages. You see pages there, over there you see pages, you select the pages. And after that you see create, liked pages, invite. You have to click on the create page, then create page, you scroll, you click on get started. Then after clicking that, you have to select your page name. You have to type your page name, the name you want your page to be. Then for this tutorial, let me just write tutorial page. And after writing your page name, you click on next. And what category best describes the tutorial page? That's your page. Then you can select any category you want to select. But let me just search tech, information technology company, just for the sake of this video. Then after that you click on create. Then the page is now creating just now. Okay, then finish setting up your page. You have to select your bio, the thing that will be your profile bio. And let me just select anything, tutorial video. And for the contact, you see website. If you have a website, you have to say, if you type your website address and your email if you want to add it, and phone number, and you can fill in your address, your city or town, and select. After that you select your hours, opening hours, if you have any opening hours, the time the page will be open to receive messages and other stuff. Then after that you click on next. But you can edit your action button. The action button that will be on your page, like when the viewer see the page, what you did there, you click on edit, customize your action button, try it. You click on try it. Then you can see sign up, start order, view shop, message, send WhatsApp message, call now, send email. You have to select anyone that is best suited for your page. Then you can click on sign up, start order, anyone you want, but I'll just select message. Let's chat on Facebook Messenger. Then that's what I'll select. After clicking that, you click on next and save. You click on save. Then your action button has been created. You have to click on next. Then you enter your phone number. And I'll just skip it. I'll just skip the process. But you have to enter your phone number. Then I've skipped it now. You have them build your page audience. You select next. Stay informed. Then it will be done. You select done. You click on done. After clicking that, then your page is now created successfully. Click on start. Next. Then now this is your page. And you can still edit the action button if you want to. You can still edit the action button. But now this is how your page looks like. See more. Add your bio completed. Other ones hasn't been completed, but you have to complete them yourself. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and also click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video.
Rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread with every word that I've said.